Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to save changes in Hostinger websites Builder 2026. So you will need first to make sure that you already have an account on the Hostinger websites, and then just go with left hand menu and click on websites right here so you can see the websites list option and just click it. Alright, after that just go and locate the sites that you want to save the changes on and click on edit website. So what I'm going to show you, or what I'm going to tell you, is the Hostinger auto saves your changes while you edit. Okay, so there is no save button as you can see here, and how it actually works. The auto save, that's a default behavior, as I said. Every change is saved automatically, and you will usually see a small saved indicator once you change something or you edit on your size. And you can safely close the tab, log out, switch pages. Your edits stay in draft mode until you publish, okay, until you click on go live here. So, what's the difference between the draft and live websites? That's very important. So, the draft mode changes are saved. Only you can see them. Visitors see the old versions, etc. And the publish or make changes live, or the live websites are clicking to publish the website on the top right corner. It's the go live button. After that you will need to wait a few seconds and changes are now visible to everyone. Okay, so as you can see it's saved and the auto save is on as I said. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.